Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint.
In this tutorial we will be working on this bureau, and as soon as we've seen it we said that we need to leave this unpainted on the outside, just paint the inside into a galaxy.
We totally loved working on this piece and I hope you guys like it as much as we do, and if so, don't forget to like and subscribe. This piece was in a really good condition and the wood is stunning, so we just left it as it is and started to clean it really well. I used white lightening, which is a Dixie Belle furniture cleaner, and an abrasive sponge. I clean it inside out and then I rinse it twice to make sure that I removed any leftover dirt or any solution. We left the piece to dry for a few hours and then I applied 3 coats of boss on the drawers interior, on the sides and also on the drawing area. Anyway, let me tell you what boss does. Boss, it's a stain blocker, odor remover, and it stops bleed through, but here we just need it to block the odors, and please don't forget to wear gloves. We let it dry for 24 hours and then it was ready to paint. I started to paint the inside and the side of the drawers with black using caviar from Dixie Belle Paint and a large flat synthetic brush, and of course the water mist bottle to keep the paint moist and it's easy to move it around. I also painted the writing area, which was a bit of a struggle to paint in such a tight place, to be honest, but then I switched to a foam brush, which made everything so easy.
Now this here is the most exciting part, the writing area, because this is the main focus of this piece. When you open it, you just open your own immersive experience. You go into space anytime you want. I started by applying black, but I left some spots unpainted in the same time for the next colors, so they will pop more. Then I added cobalt blue, which is a stunner, and I started to dab it in many directions to blend it with black. I added just a few dots of pure ocean and I blended it quick. Also, some spots of purple. I use amethyst from Dixie Belle and it's gorgeous. Next, back to pure ocean now. Here I wanted to have the lightest, brightest, happiest area, so I applied lots of pure ocean, then blend those harsh edges. Don't blend too much on the middle though, leave it a bit crazy like a mad cloud. And now hot pink. We used peony from Dixie Belle and I first applied it in this corner, blend it, and then I surrounded the pure ocean with more and more pink and tried to slightly blend it with blue. I added some more blue, then some more pink. Another exciting part is creating white sprinkles. I took a bit of paint on a cheap brush and magic on. We will do the same thing inside the drawers and on the sides as well, so we'll just let you watch and enjoy. Now let's move working on the drawer size. On the top we applied this cute stencil. We felt like this is going to work so good on the top of this bureau. I taped the stencil, I took black paint, the bell brush, and I started to dab the paint. Just make sure to take a small amount of paint so it doesn't get messy underneath the stencil. I did some touch-ups here and there, and once it was dried I took 220 sandpaper grit to give a slightly weathered look to this stencil. I took very fine sandpaper and I went over the writing area, the drawer inside and sides, just to make it super smooth. I sealed the whole piece inside out with gator hide in 3 layers, letting each one to dry for 2 hours in between applications. And this is the final result! We are just in love with the outside and the inside especially. We love it. We love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this tutorial or just inspired in any way. See you next time. See you next time. Bye.